Hi guys, in this video, let's do a number problem. So, the problem is, how many whole numbers between 100 and 999 have 8 as the product of their digits? Let's find out. Okay, so how many whole numbers between 100 and 999 have 8 as the product of their digits? So, 8 as a product of their digits. So, product means if you multiply like 2 times 4, the product is 8. So, that's how it's done. So, let's see an example. So let's say you have to find the product, the 9 as a product of their digits. So let's just say a 3-digit number for it. Now let's say 133. So now 1 times 3 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So it's 9. So that's right. So that's how they're telling us to do it. So now let's find 8 as a product of the digits. So now let's find out. Okay, so now let's erase these. And from 109 to 999. So now we don't really want to waste our time. So we only need to find some numbers. So those numbers are gonna be the factors of 8. So 8. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and I'm gonna put 8. Okay, so 1, right? So that means we need to start with 100. So 100. So we can do 1, and then let's try 1 again, and then 8. So if we multiply 8, it's 8. Now let's try with 100 again. So 100, now let's go with 2. 2, and then 2 times 4 is 8, so 8. 4. So 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. Now let's try 1, and then 4. Now we can put 2. All we did is switch these around. Now let's put 1, and then 8, 1. All I did was switch these around. So that's all we can go, because we went all the way to 8. So now let's go to 200. So 200. Now we can try 2, 1, 4. And which is 2 times 1 is 2, and then times 4 is 8. Now we can try 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. 241, because 2 times 4, all we did is switch these around. Now, we can't go with 8, because even if we do 2 times 8, 16. So, that's all we can do. Now, let's try. We can't go with 300 because there's no 3's in it. We can go with 4. 400. So 400, 4, and 1, and then a 2. Because 4 times, the 1 technically does nothing, so 4 times 2 is 8. Now, let's try another 4, 2, 1. Oh, I did switch these around. Now, we can't go with 8. Now, we can't go with 4 because 4 times 4 is all 16. We can't go with 8 because 4 times 8 is 32. Now, we can't go with... Now, let's try 800. Because we can't go with 600 because there's no 6, or 500, or 700. So, 800. So, now, 800. Now, 800, it's already 8. So, technically, all you have to do is to have a 1, and 1 does nothing, so 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times another 8 times 1 is 8. So, that's all we can go. We can't go 900 because there's no 9, and that's it. So, now, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, there are 10 whole numbers between 100 and 999 that have 8 as the product of their digits. Let's keep doing more math every day, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.